So today is the day I've been waiting for since the disaster at Cape Caution. That's because we're taking Dinghy 1 Kenobi down to JR Marine for a total rebuild. Bob and I have successfully stripped down the boat. All that remains is the hull and the pontoons. Fortunately, they are in great shape. Today, we're going to take Dinghy 1 Kenobi, or what's left of her, to JR Marine in Sydney. So I have the dinghy in tow and I'm just pulling in. This is so exciting. We're going to be doing the measurements for the design. We're gonna take what we have in the design and then we're gonna measure the boat and just tweak everything just to get it a little more accurate. So today is a big day. We had an appointment to drop the boat off at 10 a.m., but I was way too excited to wait. So I got there a little early. Okay, a lot early. We rolled into the yard at about 8:20. Jevin Upton, one of the owners of JR Marine, was there to give us a hand unloading. Okay, we're here. How's it going?
Yeah, brother, what's happening?
I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too, man.
Holy cow, look at this. We've pulled the boat fully apart. There's not much left.
That's how we're gonna do it.
Jevin used a nifty little attachment for his forklift that made unloading a breeze. I'm a pro at driving tractors now.
Oh, I bet.
If you want some help.
Yeah. I got that part certified.
Do you?
Oh, yeah.
He was eager to show us around and introduce us to the other guys at the shop, including Jared. He is a co-owner at JR Marine. Jevin and Jared have been really supportive and are letting us film the entire project for our new series. Jevin even told us about their plans for a YouTube channel at JR Marine, featuring all of the custom boat builds. We'll definitely be looking forward to that. After we dropped off the boat, it was time to get it lifted off the trailer and blocked, so the guys had a solid platform to work from. This was going to be Dinghy 1 Kenobi's home for the next 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, so the first plan, we're dropping the bow of the boat, and then we're going to tilt it back onto the back stands. With the jacks in place at the stern of the boat, we used a winch to lift the bow high enough for us to pull the trailer clear. Then the guys could safely block the rest of it. They used a number of carefully placed jacks along the keel, as well as side supports to prevent any tipping. Today is the day. The boat just went in the shop at JR's. I need to know what's going on. I'm getting stressed. What's happening with the boat? What's the plan?
I don't know if you're as excited as we are. Super pumped to have your boat in the shop here. Yeah, so boat's in the shop. We got it off the trailer, letting it dry out. It's been raining a lot last couple days, so we want to get in there with some masking tape, mark out a bunch of points and all that, and see how the designs add up with what the boat actually looks like and make sure everything's going to fit right.
Nice. Okay, so what happens next after we do those measurements? What's the next stage?
So we're going to do those measurements, then start establishing how we're going to get up over the tube, set the walls up and all that kind of stuff, and make sure we got all the right measurements.
So you're going to figure out how to brace it, basically?
Basically, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I am so excited. I'm going to walk through this whole process with you guys, and by the end of it, I'm hoping they're going to show me how to weld something. Is that a deal?
You got a deal.
Yeah, killing it. While the boys were giving the boat a quick cleanup, I checked out the beginnings of a custom Ranger 22 that JR also had in production. This boat was built to last. It's a quality piece of work, an amazing attention to detail. In this business, details are everything, and details begin with measurements. Lots and lots of measurements. Okay, so the first step, Sam and I are gonna go and take some preliminary measurements to make sure that we kind of have the basics correct on the design. Next, we met Sam. He is one of the lead designers at JR Marine. Killing it.
Yeah, it's my acting career.
Sam will be designing our rebuild using custom computer-assisted design software. Let's just say that Sam knows a thing or two about taking accurate measurements. Sam walked us through some early design concepts and showed me what kind of things to expect to see during our review process. It was incredible to see this level of detail and the ability to pre-visualize using their software. This software is resolution independent, and that means we can zoom in on every tiny detail without any loss of image quality. It was so cool. Sam wanted to get started on the preliminary measurements to work into the conceptual designs as a starting point. Okay, Sam is gonna show us what we're doing. We're gonna just do some of the measurements that he's looking for on the boat, so. I was eager to give him a hand and answer any questions he may have. It was so exciting to see the team mobilized and in action for the rebuild. Okay, we just finished up in the shop. Sam and I sat down, we went through some of the design, and we went out and actually measured just some basic measurements. So we got a few data points today just so that Sam can make sure that his size of cabin and everything we've done is gonna fit. So we're looking good?
We're looking excellent.
All right.
Yeah, so we'll get final dimensions ready next week, and we'll be able to move on to the actual design of your cabin.
Nice.
Move forward from there.
I am so looking forward to our many visits back to JR Marine to check in on this project. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode of Do It with Darryl.